Welcome everybody. In this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to program in HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and in 1 hour, you are going to know how to program in HTML. This course is fantastic for beginners, so if you've never programmed before, this is the course you want to take. I have a ton of 1 hour videos where I show you how to program something in 1 hour, do something in 1 hour. This is where you want to start. Everything builds off of HTML, especially because a lot of the things that are being programmed now are being programmed in HTML5, meaning that it starts off with HTML. Now, this course, again, is only 1 hour, and you don't really need a lot. All the things that are within this course are free. All you need is Google Chrome, and you need a website called JSBin, and I'll show you how to do all of this stuff within the course here. But the best part about this course is that once you go through this hour, and all you really have to do is just do everything that I do within this hour, what ends up happening is that you have actually learned how to program in a little bit. And if you go through that step, you will become a programmer later on if you continue to program. So I hope to see you in the course, and at the end of the course, you'll know how to program in HTML. I'll see you guys in the course.